The DeKalb Lumberjack was one of the most unusual and innovative vocational trucks of the 1950s. Built by the DeKalb Commercial Body Company of DeKalb, Illinois, it was designed specifically for the lumber delivery industry. Introduced in 1955, the Lumberjack was a compact flatbed truck that could carry long loads of lumber while being shorter than a modern minivan. Its design focused entirely on functionality, reducing both size and operating costs while maintaining impressive carrying capacity. The DeKalb Commercial Body Company originated in 1904 as the Sycamore Wagon Works, initially producing horse-drawn wagons for milk and piano deliveries. By the 1940s, the company had evolved into a respected manufacturer of vocational truck bodies, creating fire trucks, refrigerator trucks, and low-floor delivery vans. In the 1950s, DeKalb's engineers interviewed tradesmen to design the perfect lumber hauler. The result was the Lumberjack. The truck featured a low, continuous flatbed extending the full vehicle length, supported by a minimal half cab for the driver. This layout allowed lumber longer than the truck itself to be carried safely and efficiently. Optional underfloor compartments held tools, nails, and smaller materials. The standard Lumberjack was only about 16 feet long, yet it could haul 18-foot planks with ease. DeKalb offered the Lumberjack body on commercial chassis from Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and International Harvester. The model proved popular with lumberyards in Illinois and Wisconsin, leading to larger versions like the Lumberjack Senior and the Lumber King. The latter was equipped with rollers and a stake bed, serving industries from lumber to steel. Despite its practicality, the concept didn't survive the shift toward larger straight trucks and vans. By the late 1960s, DeKalb ceased operations and the Lumberjack faded into obscurity. Today, only a few examples are known to exist. One restored DeKalb Lumber King sold in 2022 for $19,500, based on a Chevrolet P35 chassis with a 292 cubic inch inline-six engine. The DeKalb Lumberjack remains a fascinating artifact of mid-century American engineering, a compact, purpose-built workhorse that redefined how lumber was delivered, even if only for a brief moment in history.